area is a half times side B times side C multiplied by sine of the angle between the two sides. Okay, so this will be sine A. Okay, now applying this very same area rule, we can determine the area of triangle ABC by considering different sides. I can consider this side, I can consider that one, and then as a result of that, I can see that the very same area can be expressed in this manner. I can say the area is equal to a half A times B, and then the included angle, or the angle between these two sides, is now angle C, so it will be sine of C. And then I can do the very same thing if I consider this side and that one. Okay, I can say that the area of triangle ABC is equal to a half times the product of side A times side C multiplied by sine of angle B. Okay, so these are different expressions for the very same area. Okay, so if we had values for angle A, angle B, and angle C, and we had values for side A, side B, side C, and we evaluate these different expressions or these different representations of the area, we would end up with the same value for the three expressions, because this is a representation of the area of one triangle. Okay, so it makes sense for us to expect to get the same values. All right, so this is just a brief.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next